Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. This is HP Deskjet 4220e. This printer is perfect for home. It's multifunctional printer, multitask, fast multi-page scan and copy. This printer can copy, scan and print from this printer. This printer uses Cartridges 305 with reliable Wi-Fi connectivity, everyday printing. HP Deskjet is perfect for basic home printing, simple, stress-free printing with this compact wireless printer with auto document feeder ADF, compatible with Mac, PC, A4 print speed, black text 5.5 print page per minute, A4 print speed, color text 8.5 print page per minute, up to 4800 by 2400 dpi print resolution, up to 4800 by 1200 dpi color print resolution, fit page up to A4 paper, manual duplex double-sided print. So this printer, basically you print the other page and put the document inside and reprint the second part of the document. 60 sheet paper capacity, uses 2 ink cartridges 305. In terms of scan and copier, 1200 by 1200 dpi optical resolution, fit page up to A4 paper, flat bell scanner, connectivity suitable for office printing, suitable for photo printing, USB port, wireless and Wi-Fi enabled printer, Apple Airprint depending on service, Google Cloud Print, mobile print enabled printing, direct from your smart device or tablet through brand specification app, Bluetooth wireless technology enabled. We're going to check this printer. I hope it will help you to make informed choice. 3 months of instant ink with this printer is ink subscription service, but it's not compulsory. After 3 months, a monthly fee will be charged automatically. So you need to be mindful of this. So it's not free, I'm afraid, but you need to enroll within 3 months. After 3 months, a monthly fee will be charged automatically unless you cancel. Require HP Plus activation at setup and instant ink enrollment. But I must tell you that this is not compulsory. This printer is intended to work only with new or reused cartridges that have new or reused HP electronic circuitry, and it uses dynamic internet security to block cartridges using modified or non-HP circuitry. So periodic firmware updates will maintain the effectiveness of this measure. Now we're going to open this up. This is setup guide. And reference guide. Ink cartridges, triple color and black. Power cable. This one is 3-pin power cable. Brilliant. From the back here, the power cable goes here. USB cable goes here. It's covered with the paper, but you need to remove the paper if you want to use this with USB cable. The serial number for this printer is here. USB cable is not included in the packaging. This is ADF, automatic document feeder. It's the flatbed scanner. Ink cartridge holder is by the corner. This is the real paper. Real paper tray. So you load particular paper you want to use. So you load the paper here. See what the printer looks like. This is the scanner here, flatbed scanner. You switch this printer on and off. This button here is for you to copy black. This button here is for you to copy color. This is LCD screen, Wi-Fi button, information button, resume, and this button is cancel. If you close this printer, open it up this end, the pin number for this printer is here, HP 4220 series, and it's using ink 305. To switch this printer on and install the ink, what you need to do is, first of all, I need to plug the power cable. Push it in. Now plug this end to the power socket. And the light is highlighting. Now switch this printer on and off from this button. Once you switch it on, then open up this cover. The light is highlighting here. And now it's showing us 0 and the ink level measurements are empty. There are 2 lines here, both are empty, and the Wi-Fi button is flashing. This is the information button. Now what we want to do is we need to install the ink cartridges. These are the ink cartridges that came with this printer, black and triple colors. Now the next thing to do is to install the ink. Open up the cover. Then once you open it up, the ink holder will move and position itself in the middle. Now to install the ink, the colored one, there are stickers here. The colors go to the left and the black goes to the right. So this is the color ink cartridge. Now you need to go in, push it upwards. You hear a click sound. The second is the black color. Pull off, then go in. The black goes to the right, push it upwards, and you hear a click sound. Just make sure you check and make sure they are intact, then close it. Once you close it, then you wait. The lights are off and the 2 measurements are now full. Initially it was empty. So this is how to install the ink. Please do me a favor, like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you and stay blessed.